All right, y'all, we back with another one. Another package. Mystery pack. Let's see what's in this. First, let me do this one. Let's see. Rip this one open. Let's just take this bad more. See what's in here. Oh, shit. There's some fire up in here. Feels like it. Feels like some fire. Fire. Nice. Rookie card. Nice. What's behind it? Stuck. Oh, it's in this bag. I think. Is it? Yeah, it is. Why would they do that? Bam. Nice. Alright, that's it for this pack. Let's open another one. See what's going on. See what's going on up in here, man. See what kind of fire we got. Let's see what we got up in here. Oh, shoot. You know who that is, huh? Dennis Robin. You're supposed to scan this right here and I'll tell you everything about this card. But, yeah, definitely gonna do it. The only thing is I can't do it on while I'm recording, so, yeah. Alright, that's it for that. Let's open this one up. See what this is. See what we got here. Some more slabbies. Here. That Jordan Love rookie. Oh no, is this his rookie? I'm not 100%. Another Jordan Love. Oh no, that's Black Party. tripping. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, Black Purdy. See what we got here. Another little banger. You know who this is? LeBron James' son, Jr. Nice one. J.J. McCaffrey. Nice one. Oh, so we got some UFC up in here. The Beast. MVP. Kevin Garnett. Y'all tell me if he's any good. Bam. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace.